So today we're going to talk about the conclusion statement of the annotated bibliography. The conclusion statement is a very simple statement. It literally communicates how the article ended, right? So for research articles, you usually have a section that includes something called outcomes or findings or results. These types of words communicate to you that is the end of the article, and this is what the research project came up with as its findings. You want to communicate that to your audience for obvious reasons, because you have introduced this topic and now you have to say how the findings impacted that topic. And so you want to give this information. If the article does not have subheadings in order for you to write this type of thing, then you want to look at the last paragraph of the article in order to determine how the article ends. And you have to communicate that in a sentence. If the author gives suggestions or if they give new ways of approaching the topic in the future, this is the type of information that you will want to add for the conclusion statement. Now, your role is to communicate that information to your audience. To do that, you want to use conclusion transition words. So you don't want to say that you're concluding. Instead, you want to say that the author concludes. The study ends with and or suggests. The research findings conclude. Anything that demonstrates that this is a conclusion statement. You don't want to communicate something that indicates something other than that. So there's a list of research, communication, conclusion statement tools in your module. You want to refer to those and just use them. Again, you want to communicate that the research concludes, not you conclude. So don't say something like in conclusion. Instead, you want to say the research concludes, the authors conclude, the results suggest, the outcome proves. That type of thing in order to communicate to your audience your ending, and this is the result of the study. See you next time.